night was long, we traveled far. At times I looked but could not see the star, yet still it shone, unveiling then the way to Bethlehem. My heart held fear mid puzzled joy, for I was only a small shepherd boy, and on a hillside soft and green I heard an angel sing. I saw the midnight sky aflame with radiant angels bathed in light, holy light, bringing word that Christ was born and beckoning to find him. Go and find him. A sweeter face I ne'er will see than of those loving eyes smiling up at me. I found a king, I found a friend that night in Bethlehem. But life goes on, years beyond one brief night of my youth. Time clouds my vision of truth, and though I stumble and fall, I can hear someone call, do not despair, your star is still there. That Christmas night so long ago has filled my life with light, because I know that he lives now as he did then, a king in Bethlehem, whose love